Good morning, guys. I thought I would vlog today because Cody and I are actually starting the house hunting process, and I asked you guys over on Insta stories if you want to see it, and you guys voted for me to film this video. I just woke up and I just made my protein shake. This is so easy to make. I just buy these Vegas smoothies from Target, and they have a ton of vitamins in them. There's a ton of protein in them, and they're plant-based. And then I just like to mix it up with a banana, and I add some flaxseed and chia seed and some ice to it, blend it up, and it's really, really good. So I figured I would just show you guys my getting ready process. So usually I like to start by just running a brush through my hair. I already took it out of the ponytail as I was walking into here. And then after I'm done doing that, I will run one of these spoolies through my eyelashes because I have eyelash extensions. Next, I'm taking my bottle of my SK2 facial treatment essence, and this is a skin balancing essence with Pitera. I'm almost completely out of it, so I'm going to put this onto a cotton pad, and I like to saturate my cotton pad, so I'll just take the bottle, and I like to put a good amount of this on, so my cotton pad is actually pretty damp, and oh, that is definitely the end of my bottle. I'm going to just pat this all over my skin. I've actually been doing the 1 bottle away from challenge with SK2, so this is super exciting that I'm actually finishing the bottle with you guys because they basically challenge you to actually go through and completely use the product. So I've been doing that this entire last month, and I've at least noticed in my skin, I feel like the tone and texture of my skin has really improved. I'm not wearing any makeup right now, and I feel like the redness in my cheek area has definitely really gone down. And then I also feel like my laugh lines right here, I feel like they've been looking less obvious the last month, so that's been really great, especially because you guys know we are house hunting, and house hunting is really stressful. I'm sure you guys have experienced it, even with like apartment searching. It's just a lot, so I definitely didn't want the stress of searching for a new home and buying a new home to show on my skin. If you guys want more info about the SK2 facial treatment essence, I will leave it down below in the info. If you have something really big coming up and you want your skin to look the best for it, I definitely suggest checking this out. So now I'm actually going to do my makeup and then do my hair, but I figured that I would speed this up because I'm going to be doing this for about the next 20 minutes, and you guys don't need to sit for that long.
I don't know about this.
We're laughing because he looks like he's like popping out of the side like well, a lot of you guys have been asking us, why are we moving again? He had a place before, like he owned a place in Chicago.
And about a month before I found out we were moving back to Chicago, I sold it, closed on it about 2 weeks before, then found out we were moving back to Chicago and did not have a place to live.
We found out we had 2 weeks to live. Why are you behind my head? It looks like you're eating my head. Basically quickly just found a rental place that we liked because it was like, we just need to get in and live there. So we signed a year-long lease on this place. And now that we pretty much know that we're gonna be in Chicago for a while, at least the next foreseeable future.
6 months.
So now we're considering actually buying a place. I wanted to take you guys on the house hunting process, except we have a lot of pros and cons to all of the different kind of places we're considering.
Currently in a high rise.
We like the convenience factor of living in a high rise, and also like the view is amazing. Assessments on buying a place in a high rise are insane.
That are like this, yeah.
Yeah, if we wanted to buy a place like this, it would be like an extra $1,000 a month just to like maintain the building, and that doesn't ever go away. So even if you like pay off the place, you still have to pay that every month.
It's kind of like you're still renting.
Yeah. Or we could live in like a walk-up
3 flat.
Yeah, 3 flat like home style place in Chicago. The bigger you get, the more expensive it gets, and we're like, if we get a 2-bedroom, we can't really grow into it. But if we get a 3-bedroom, it's already crazy expensive. So we just don't know.
We'll find something.
Yeah, I'm sure we'll find something. We're just kind of like starting the process early so we can narrow down like what exactly we want. You want to say that part?
Dad boys.
Go into dad boys.
Our lease isn't up until September.
He's been working on his dad voice. What do you guys think?
Our lease isn't up until September, so we have some time.
This is my outfit to go house hunting. Does this outfit say I could own a house? Because that's what I'm going for. It's a little bit warmer outside, thankfully, so I can get away with just wearing this jacket. And then I've got on liquid leggings. Were actually too short to wear with anything minus these boots. and then my thigh-high boots. We're off on the house hunting search.
It's a box in here.
Oh yeah, don't mind, we just have a casual Christmas tree sitting in between us. We're just actually bringing it around all the houses to see if the tree will fit in the house. So we're going to a couple open houses today, and I figured I would just show you guys, like bring you through and film each of the different places, and then we would tell you afterwards like what we thought of each place. I feel like my outfit says I could be the real estate broker. I liked a lot about that first house. What about you?
It's alright.
I mean, I liked a lot of the finishes, like all the marble and quartz and subway tiling and all that kind of stuff.
The garage was actually not my favorite.
Really?
It was kind of dungy, musty in there.
I thought you would like any garage.
Yeah,
like
at this point I'll take any garage.
A lot of like really unusable closet space. Remember in the first level house, like you open it to be the hall closet and it's just like,
yeah, it's not really usable.
it's not usable, and then the one upstairs was also not usable. Like there's just a lot of really awkward closet space. When you looked outside, it was in a parking lot.
Looking into a parking lot.
Is that like a little Harry Potter closet? Wait, open. Perfect. The pantry I always dreamed of.
Look, there's an extra bedroom.
Oh my gosh.
It's roomy.
We're definitely gonna stick with this pink color. This place was super cool.
Yeah, I loved it.
Yeah?
I thought it was awesome.
Except it's kind of already near the top of our budget, and the master bedroom needed a lot of work
Yeah, it was
because
a weird setup.
the bathroom was incredibly small and like dungeon-like, and we'd want to like knock it out and reconfigure it. And that's what they were trying to say. They were like, oh, you could do a lot with this space, but for it already being top of our budget and then to need like $40,000 probably worth of work put into it, doesn't really sound ideal. Let us know down below in the comments if you guys liked any of these places or what your thoughts were on these places.
Because we're not getting any of them.
So we just got back from house hunting. We definitely didn't find our dream home today. The search will continue. Feeling a little stressed right now, but I don't think I'm super stressed out. So that is like the big pro of the last month, me doing this one bottle away from Journey at the same time as me doing this house hunt. I don't think you can tell. If you guys enjoyed seeing the different places that we looked at today, definitely let me know if you guys want me to keep filming these videos by leaving me a comment or giving this video a thumbs up. Also, if you guys want more information on SK2, or if you have a big event coming up in your life, like if you guys are planning a wedding, or if you are also looking for a new apartment, anything like that that you don't want the stress to show on your face, you want to feel like your best self, definitely check out the SK2 facial treatment essence, and I'll have that information down below. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you want to see more, and I will see you guys next Thursday. Bye.